Assalamu alaikum, dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool, and this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1, and our today's topic is answering question number 4. Dear students, let's see the board. Class Junior 1, subject Islam, term annual 21, topic answering question number 4, lecture number 15, SW number also 15, and today's date. Dear students, before starting our today's topic, I would like to say that we say Hamza when alif is written with harkat, that means Jabr, Jar, Pesh. So let's start our today's topic. Answering question number 4, write 10 letters with jazm, and the answer is, here we will say Hamza instead of alif. Al Hamza ba jabar ab, Hamza ta jabar at, Hamza ta jabar at, Hamza tha jabar at, Hamza jim jabar aj, Hamza ha jabar ah, Hamza kha jabar akh, Hamza dal jabar ad, Hamza dal jabar ad, Hamza ra jabar ar, Hamza za jabar az. Dear students, I repeat, write 10 letters with jazm, and the answer is Hamza ba jabar ab, Hamza ta jabar at, Hamza tha jabar at, Hamza jim jabar aj, Hamza ha jabar ah, Hamza kha jabar akh, Hamza dal jabar ad, Hamza dal jabar ad, Hamza ra jabar ar, Hamza za jabar az. Now SW topic will be question answer number 4. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home, abide by your parents. See you again inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.